Hey guys, what's up? The Bus Channel here, and today I think we're going to be unboxing the Megabus Gold travel kit. So yeah, let's get into it. And yes, it is the travel kit. So yeah, here it is in the packet, and let's unbox it. So here we have some toothpaste, an earplug, another earplug, and if I can just get it open. There we go. And a blindfold thingy, so yeah, pretty cool. I'll just get the thumbnail now, guys. But before I do get the thumbnail, I'll just unbox the toothpaste. So yeah, here's the toothpaste. So now let's get the thumbnail. There we go. So thank you guys for watching and peace out. Also guys, I got this photo of this coach and the reg is FRY187. So yeah, I'll have to retake the thumbnail. So yeah, let's get into it. And yes, this is a couple of hours later in case you're wondering. So yeah, let's get into the thumbnail. So there we go. And thank you guys for watching and peace out.